Handa ka na bang mag-glow up pero kulang ka sa budget? Lagi kong nababasa, ano pong benefits ni Corico Bumbis? Corico Bumbis is made in Japan, 4-in-1 glucocollagen superfood for your skin. Ito yung mga Japan ingredients niya, guys. We have here par dosage of 400 mg collagen, L-glutathione, NAC, and vitamin C. Ano nga ba yung mga benefits niya, guys? This is good for the heart, good for the immune system, and it will act like a booster. NAC also is a glutathione booster, kaya naman kapag nagtitake ka ng Corico Bumbis ay good for our health. Dahil alam nyo ba na nadi-detoxify ang ating liver? And side effect na lang niya ang pagputi. Just take 1 to 2 capsules a day, guys. And Corico Bumbis is open now for resellers. Sobrang dinumog to sa online selling world. Handa ka na bang mabudol?